In today's video, I'm going to teach you fix YouTube can't connect right now on Mi TV. If you are seeing that message on your Mi TV, it usually comes down to a temporary glitch, bad app data, an incorrect date and time, or a shaky internet connection. I will walk you through a clean, reliable sequence that fixes the issue for most people. And I will explain what each action does so you know why it works. Start by refreshing the YouTube app itself. On your Mi TV, open Settings, go to Apps, find YouTube, and choose Clear Cache. Then Clear Data. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can get corrupted, and clearing data fully resets the app back to its default state. This is safe, but you may have to sign in to YouTube again afterward. Once that's done, try launching YouTube to see if the error is gone. If it's still there, make sure your TV's clock is correct. Go to Settings, then Device Preferences, then Date and Time. Set it to Automatic. Or use Network-Provided Time. A wrong clock can break secure connections and cause YouTube to say it can't connect. After switching to Automatic Time, open YouTube again and test. Next, take a moment to refresh your internet connection. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears up minor network conflicts and gives your router a clean start. Wait until the lights stabilize, confirm your TV is connected to Wi-Fi, and try YouTube once more. If the issue persists, give the TV itself a hard restart. Unplug your Mi TV from the wall, wait 1 to 2 minutes, and plug it back in. This drains residual power, clears low-level glitches, and reloads system services that streaming apps depend on. Finally, reinstall YouTube to replace any damaged files. Go to Settings, open Apps, and Manage Apps. Select YouTube, uninstall it, and then install it again from the App Store on your TV. Reinstalling ensures you have a fresh copy of the app and the latest components. Open YouTube, sign back in if needed, and the connection error should be resolved. That's all to it. Keeping your TV connected to a stable network and avoiding frequent forced closes of apps to prevent similar issues in the future. Thanks for watching.